Hey everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a simple classic walnut fudge. No bacon, just hanging out in the fridge for a little bit while it sets. Then you can slice, enjoy, eat all of it, make some more, share with your friends, make another, eat it all yourself. You know, all the good fudge stuff. All the good fudge, that makes sense in my head. So let's go ahead and get right started. And I'll go ahead and put this recipe link down below so you can make your own delicious chocolate walnut fudge. So to start, we're going to take a heat-proof bowl and we're going to add all of our chocolate chips to it. So if you want milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, dark chocolate, special dark chocolate, any kind of chocolate that you want your chocolate fudge to be, you go ahead and you put that in your heat-proof bowl. And next you want to add in your can of sweet condensed milk, cocoa powder, some vanilla, some butter, and a little bit of salt. Now let's go ahead, toss this in our little friendly microwave and blast on a good high speed, high temperature. I don't know how these work. I'm bad at microwaves. Ovens I could do, microwaves not so much. But you want to do it on a high power thing, I don't know. But in 30-second bursts until everything is really nice and melty, and it's going to be easy to whisk up really good and get a nice smooth fudge batter. So do that. So our chocolate, our butter, our cocoa powder, our sweet condensed milk is all nice and warm and melty and really just blending in together. So let's go ahead and take our hand mixer with our whisk attachment and whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth and kind of has a nice little shine to it. And once you have your nice smooth fudge, we're gonna go ahead and pour that into a prepared pan. And I'm gonna line it with some aluminum foil because I'm out of parchment paper and forgot to pick some up. But if you have parchment paper, you can go ahead and use that, or just aluminum foil because that works just as well. And then we're going to take our spatula and kind of just spread it out and smooth it and evenly disperse it so it's really just, our pan is just packed with delicious fudge. And then we're going to sprinkle some yummy walnuts on top. And once you've topped with your delicious walnuts, go ahead, pop it in the fridge for a good hour, hour and a half, or really as long as you want, but definitely at least an hour. You know, go watch some Netflix or watch some more YouTube videos while you're waiting because delicious recipes all down below. But go ahead and do that, pop it in the fridge, and we will be back very soon. Slice it up and enjoy some chocolate walnut fudge. So our chocolate fudge has fully set in the fridge, a little longer than an hour because, you know, playing with the pups. But once you have your fully set chocolate fudge, you slice it into nice, good grab and go snack size bites, and you will have your delicious, yummy chocolate fudge. It's gonna be nice and smooth, nice and creamy, and just all kinds of yummy deliciousness. That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to check out the KitchenAid stand mixer link down below. All the info will be right there on my blog. And if you make your own delicious, yummy, classic chocolate walnut fudge, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. And I'm gonna, you know, go ahead and have some fudge, grab some coffee, enjoy the day. You go do the same after you make some fudge, of course. And I will see you all tomorrow for another delicious, yummy recipe. Bye.